We just point an AI agent to a knowledge base or a content library, and we can have that build amazing training with no human being involved. Now let's talk about ROI of AI in the future. I'm going to approach this with both optimism and caution. The future of AI is anyone's guess right now, but I think the ROI is tremendous. We might see funny memes and videos about people eating spaghetti and all kinds of stuff, but within the last year alone, we can show how much of an improvement AI has made. I look forward all the time to hearing about advancements in tools like we're hearing about Sora and other emerging technology. The future is going to be showing that your learning products are going to deliver value. So how is that going to happen? Using AI to do it. One, we can make high quality written content or copy. We can ensure that that content is correct, which is the hard part. We can craft images, we can craft pictures, we can build video on the fly. We can translate, transcribe, and personalize into any language with any ability. The ultimate goal, and one that I don't expect that we're going to see anytime really soon, is that we can expect point an AI agent to a knowledge base or a content library, and we can have that build amazing training with no human being involved. Again, pipe dream right now. Could come along someday. AI is no doubt revolutionary. We in customer education embrace tools and technology that can help us unlock scale. We know that AI can seem or be scary right now. Why? Well, the reality is that it can and will replace jobs. And for us in customer education, we need to learn about and leverage AI tools that help us scale. I'm no Oracle or Sage, but I've spent enough time with these tools to think that AI applications can and will provide us the tools we need to do more with less. Using AI means we're creating valuable content quicker, we're onboarding customers faster, and we're preventing churn. Well, that's all we've got today on Learn Lightning. Thank you so much for watching. This is an original series that we're delivering on YouTube with the goal of helping you learn what's important in customer education to help you be successful so you stand out. In other words, it's a lightning strike for your success. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss another episode. Thanks once again. I'm Dave Derington, and I'll see you next time.